Yeah, g'day. It's been a while since I uploaded a video, and this one's basically just to show what's coming. I've got some Pro cams. They're the GTPX. Valve springs and retainers to go with. Got to get a few more parts to do it. I want to do adjustable gears and yeah, just do some billet guides and yeah, strengthen all the timing system a little bit to put these cams in and time them correctly. The Heritage is still a good cam. I've had no issues with it. It's been tuned very well, and yeah, it's a good street cam with the diff gears I've got. So there's another update. I've actually got 323 diff gears in there at the moment, and it makes it a nice punchy street package, really. I'd say that with the True Track goes well. Haven't got a stall. There's no converter in there yet, or there's the factory converter, but there's no high stall or anything like that in there. So with these GTPXs, when they go in, I'll probably go a 3K stall, and yes, there we go. But I'll do a little bit more research on that and see how far we can actually push the factory stall with the PCMtec. But I'm guessing I'm going to have to go to the 3K anyway with the GTPX cams. So with the current setup, I want to take it back to Heathcote and do a run, because my last run at Heathcote was a 13.3 at 109.98 mile per hour. That was with 275 Mickey Thompsons on it. No diff gears, no cams. I think it was around about 263, 264 real kilowatts, something like that. Now it's about, I don't know, 268 to 271, depending on which dyno it was on. But that's not dynoed with the diff gears, so I don't know if there's any sort of fluctuation in that. There should be more torque. It seems to be a lot more lively, so hopefully we'll dip it into the 12s. And I've got some new tyres to go with, not the four-wheel drive ones. I've got some more Mickey Thompsons, but two 45s, 45R 17s, and mainly went them just a little bit more narrow profile. When you actually let the tyre down, use more of the tyre. Found with the 275s, I wasn't really using the full tyre because it was ballooning on the factory Ford rims, so it would sort of bubble out, and when you let it down, you weren't getting that full contact patch. So we'll see how that goes. See if we can run hopefully mid 12s. I'd aim for. If I can get lower, like a low 12, that'll be good. And then yeah, put the GTPX cams in, get it all retuned with a stall, and see if we can get any lower than that. And then future, I'll probably want to go the Parada flex fuel system and run some E85 as well, just to get a bit more out of it. And then yeah, we'll see where it takes us from there. So yeah, fun times ahead, so keep an eye on the channel. Cheers.